Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a frame on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the frame button next to the card option at the upper side of the screen, and here select a template. Now you can edit this template. If you want to add pictures, just go to the image button and click to the photo option at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can select images from your device. If you want to change the background color, just click to the color option and you can select another color. And if you go to the add button, go to the text option, and here you can add the text to your project. Just delete and write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can search different font type and just select one and click that. In the color button you can add another colors, and in the shadow option you can add shadows to your text. If you go to the doodle button, you can draw your project, and in the brush section you can find different objects. For example, click to the butterfly, and here you can add butterfly to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.